Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're looking at this gorgeous 38 Plymouth. I mean, this thing, I love it with the poverty steely wheels. I think it looks really cool. She runs really strong too. Fires right up. I mean, it's a pretty car. I love that. It's kind of got like that turtle, that bubble look to it. Like all the lines going. I just think it's a really cool looking car. And the body's honestly in phenomenal shape. I mean, it's got a really great profile. That's pretty cool. And the interior is also in really good shape as well. Like I said, she drives really nice, so let's go prove that.
So we're just gonna start this 38. As you can see, we got Kevin inside. We got the clutch, the brake, and the gas, and there's actually a starter pedal at the top there. Look at that. Beautiful. Pretty crazy. Super quiet. Pretty nice. We're gonna take it for a spin here shortly.
All right, let's get her onto the open road here. We're not gonna hammer her, obviously, because she is an older vehicle. She drives pretty dang good. No synchros, obviously, so you gotta, you're gonna get a little grinding here and there. But she's smooth. I mean, hands off the wheel. She's not all over the road. You're not getting like any negative feedback from the steering column. The steering actually feels quite tight. And you got a working speedometer, which is crazy. And I think our other gauges appear to be working as well. Maybe not fuel, but just a smooth driving car. I'm really impressed with this. Usually you get in these and it's kind of feels like a death trap, but this thing feels really nice. It feels strong, it feels sturdy, it feels like it's capable. So yeah, I'm liking this. So let's do a little UE, get back to the shop, and I'll show you guys the undercarriage.